Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore a beautiful flowering plant called the Madagascar Periwinkle, scientifically known as Catharanthus roseus. This lovely plant is famous for its bright pink flowers and glossy green leaves. It is commonly called periwinkle, Sadabahar or vinca in many places. The Madagascar periwinkle originally comes from the island of Madagascar, but today it grows in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. It is widely grown in gardens because it blooms almost throughout the year. One of the most attractive features of this plant is its flowers. The flowers usually have 5 petals with a small white or light colored center. They come in many colors such as pink, white, purple and red. The leaves are smooth, shiny and dark green, which makes the plant look fresh and healthy. Now let us understand the scientific importance of this plant. This plant belongs to the family Apocynaceae. It is a small evergreen herb that can grow up to about 1 meter tall. The plant performs photosynthesis using chlorophyll in its leaves to prepare food. Like all flowering plants, it reproduces through flowers and seeds. But the most fascinating fact about the Madagascar periwinkle is its medicinal value. Scientists discovered that this plant contains important chemical compounds called vincristine and vinblastine. These compounds are used in medicines for treating certain types of cancer, especially leukemia. Because of this discovery, the plant became extremely valuable in medicinal science. The plant also helps the environment. Its colorful flowers attract butterflies, bees and other pollinators. These insects help in pollination, which supports plant reproduction and biodiversity. Now let us talk about how to grow this beautiful plant. The Madagascar periwinkle grows best in warm climates with plenty of sunlight. It needs well-drained soil and moderate watering. One special quality of this plant is that it can tolerate heat and drought better than many other flowering plants. Gardeners love this plant because it requires very little maintenance. It can grow in pots, gardens, pathways and even roadside landscapes. Here are some interesting facts. The name Sadabahar means always in bloom. It is one of the most popular ornamental plants in tropical countries. Every part of the plant contains medicinal compounds, but it should not be consumed directly without medical guidance. So friends, the Madagascar periwinkle is not just a beautiful flower, it is also a scientifically important medicinal plant that benefits both humans and nature. If you enjoyed learning about this amazing plant, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more interesting science and nature videos. Thank you for watching. Save Earth, Save Life and see you in the next video.